So, hello students, and I hope everyone is fit and healthy and safe at your own locations. So, guys, it's again that part of the year when JEE mains is just 1 month away. Or so, in this last month, preparation is very important for every student. पूरे साल आपने कितनी भी मेहनत करी हो, कितना भी स्ट्रगल किया हो, बट ये आखिरी का समय बहुत क्रूशियल होता है हर एक स्टूडेंट के लिए, चाहे वो कोई सा भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम हो. ये आखिरी के टाइम पे डिपेंड करेगा आपकी रैंक कितनी आएगी और आप किस लेवल के कॉलेज में पहुंचेंगे और आप किस डिपार्टमेंट में पहुंचेंगे. तो इसलिए गाइस मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा या रिकमेंड करूंगा कि गिव योर 100% इन दिस लास्ट मंथ, बिकॉज इट कैन बी अ लाइफ चेंजिंग बून फॉर यू. सो इसमें करना क्या है, मैं ये बोलूँगा कि आपका सबसे ज़्यादा फोकस इस समय केमिस्ट्री पे होना चाहिए, क्योंकि केमिस्ट्री इज़ द ईजिएस्ट पार्ट एंड इन दैट टू इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री इज़ इवन ईजियर एज कम्पेयर टू ऑर्गेनिक एंड इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. एंड यू शुड वेरी वेल focus on inorganic chemistry in this last 1 month, because what happens in inorganic chemistry, you just have to mark an answer and it hardly takes at max 10 to 12 seconds, and it awards you equal number of marks that any maths question will award you after giving 5 minutes or 6 minutes to that question. So from this point of view, inorganic chemistry becomes very important for every student. I have seen what many students do, they just leave inorganic chemistry. What do they think? That they have to mug up all the things and they find it very difficult. So they start thinking that they should focus on physics and maths only, and that will get them a good rank. That's okay for, I should say that that's okay for those students who are very good in physics and maths. But for the mediocre students, it's very important to secure good marks in inorganic chemistry and or superficially whole chemistry. It's very important. So I'll tell you how to strengthen inorganic chemistry in last 1 month. You start reading NCERT right from today and start preparing the short notes of inorganic chemistry. Just read NCERT. What you can do, you can either underline the important things in NCERT or you can write those important things in a separate notebook. Okay, and I should say, yeah, you should write it once at some place. It will make the concept more clear and it will help you to learn the concept. So, and write it at one place and solve all the previous year questions from any module or anything, any material you have, and mark all those questions which you think they are important and they involve some nice concept. Within this work you should do within 4 to 5 days. After that, what you should do, you can fix the time in the day, like when you go to bed, before going to bed, half an hour before, you will revise all organic chemistry or inorganic chemistry portion. Okay? It will help you to memorize the concepts very well, because what happens in inorganic chemistry, if you don't revise the concepts for 2 or 3 days, on the 4th day you will start losing or forgetting those concepts. So it will be very beneficial or it will be very helpful if you revise those concepts every day on the regular basis, and it will also increase your confidence. So have you guys understood what you have to do? You have to read NCERT line by line, underline the important parts and note down the very important concepts at some place and prepare the short notes and solve the previous year questions from some module or any material you have, and mark some important or good questions which you think involve some nice concepts or can repeat in future, and just keep revising those concepts and those questions every day. So guys, in the end I would like to emphasize it, like importance of inorganic chemistry is too much for an IIT JEE aspirant who is mainly focused on JEE mains right now. And I should say, if you don't have the good percentile in previous attempts of JEE mains, then you should focus on JEE mains only right now, because if you secure a good rank in JEE mains, it will boost up your confidence and it will help you, or it will become a very important factor for your JEE advanced rank also. So these were some of the tips from my side, and if you guys want some more tips like this from the top IITians of the country, then you should come at Uchai. We at Uchai, we are the team of IITians who secured the top ranks in IIT JEE Advanced, and we are here to help you and to show you the path to your dream college or to your dream rank. So give your 100% guys, show your full dedication in this last 1 month. It is going to prove very crucial for everyone. So that's all from my side. All the best guys, give your 100% and get secure a good rank in JEE Mains. Thank you.